Howdy chaps, hope everyone is having a good Sunday. Thought I'd try and pick this RB lock for stock lock Sunday. This is I got this off Black Dolphin 90. It's a very cool little it's a this C10 padlock in it. It's basically a multi-lock, isn't it? A multi-lock clone. There's the key. Nice bit on there. As you can see there, nice low one in 3 and a high one in the back there. Plus the inner on that pin 3 is tricky to get. Oops, works nicely, key retaining. So let's see what we got. Right. Put it in there this way. I think that's the way. Yeah. Right. Now let's see what we can do with this thing. In a sec, that's gonna work well, is it? As I got the voice backwards. I'm not preparation is not my forte, so forgiveness please. Right, let's see. There we go. I think that's probably a little better. Let's see, get some. Now, right, tension wrench here. A couple of flags. This is a right hander and a neutral. Let's see what we got here. I haven't picked this in a while. Just some more light coming in from the back as well. So let's start with the flag with the offset and at the turn. So it's all the way to the back. And the 5 forcing the bind here. There, I'm gonna click on it. Then it's weird. The rest of them kind of weirdly they don't bind. Pin 1 binds really well, really solid, but the rest of them don't. They just kind of go soft and mushy. They don't give positive clicks. But see if we can know that. So let's see what we can do. Okay. 5. Oops. That's 3. Aye. 28 we pick. Okay, start again. Let's try with the neutral flag this time, and the other flag is kind of just getting a bit eaten on me. Okay, 5, 4, fell away. 2. Oops, it did. Oh. No proper eating there, that depicted, and here we go. Right, this is where this gets a little bit tricky. Excuse me. Pardon me, fellas. Let's see, what do we have here? It's a little tricky to get the inners on this lock. There we go. Got 1, 2 of the inners. Sorry, the one's in the back. Yeah, 5. Oh, one more, one more. Which one is it? It's probably. That's right. Right, let's see which one wants to go now. There we go, look, it's just hanging. I just need it. Oh, isn't that weird? Look, the shackle doesn't come out. How strange is that? Oh, it has come out, look, that's weird. I thought it didn't come, didn't pop all the way though. It was a bit weird. But she is open, as you can see. Just needed to lighten up the tension a wee bit. Right, this is, I've never got this, so I assume it's just this fella here, so let's go. How are we fixed for time? We're doing okay. We're doing okay. And what I'll do is, and the plan for today, fellas, is to, 1 second. So I'm going to try to get this video done, and then I'll upload a video for the 100 subs giveaway, and I'll just go through that in a bit more detail, and then that can be the video people can leave a comment on that want to get into the draw. So first things first, let's get this done. Yeah, like I said, I haven't got this part before, but yeah, I think I've seen it being done a few times, so hopefully it shouldn't be too complicated. Okay, that's the first part. Okay, now I think the shackle comes out now, if I'm not mistaken. You have to be oriented a certain way, maybe. No, shackle don't want to come out still. Okay, it's that. Let me see. Right, no nut down there. I don't know if you can see or not, but something fell out. There we go. The pin just dropped out somewhere. Anyone? Any clues? Any ideas? Right, so I assume that was the pin that holds the shackle. Oh, feck. I had to lock and pull lock him back into place. Okay, this. Okay, right, I messed up, I think. So, Scheiße. So I think what happened is the lock and paw is out there flipping over. Okay. Come on, man, let go. I'm gonna pause, fellas, so you don't have to agonize for this with me. After locking it up like a dummy, I didn't. I was thinking. Well, obviously I wasn't thinking, but this is a key retaining this lock is. So even if the shackle comes out now, so I'm gonna have to pick it again, I think. Surely I'm gonna have to pick it again. But if I got this shackle out, hang on a sec. I don't think you should have to pick it again. Start button. Oh, I think I have an idea. Hang on a sec. I think maybe some natural thinking here, fellas. There's threads in this guy at the top here. So just want to try something. If I pinch that, it should hold the lock and paw now, maybe. No, that was out there finding an ingenious I was being really clever there. Why will it not come out the rest of the way? Actually seems to want to come out less there now, to be honest. Still, something is still springing in and grabbing the shackle. It's like the locking pole is shooting over and grabbing the shackle, and I'm trying to pull it out. I'm trying to take that one more bit, a little bit more. No, it's still happening. Let's see. The key. Duh. Okay. We got there. We got it. Okay, now this is gonna have to come out. And I'm surprised. I actually just turned back on the video to show you as well. A dummy I had been with that, but hey, it looks like it's worked. So let's take this. I think we can back this off, and then we should see if anything happens actually with the locking pulse. This slide out. Shouldn't have my eye on, because there was no screw in there originally, so we have those parts there. So this should slide out the side, shouldn't it? Okay, let's go sideways so we don't try not to lose any parts. Because I know these are very tricky guts. Locks the gut. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Figured out the shackle right at the end there. Just had to turn the key that extra little bit. So I just have like a solid block of brass. Let's get rid of some stuff here first. Shutter. Yeah, they're a nightmare to go and do them as is. Just let me check. Let me check. Will that stay in place? Hey, hopefully it will. There's a shackle spring that wants to fall out. Shackle spring. Oops. Sorry for this. Hope you can see everything there. It's hard to get it any more to shot, was it? Now it's a little better, I suppose. This video is dragging on. This video is going to be long. Okay, I really have no clue about how to do this. What's the good way to do this? I suppose it's probably not the worst idea in the world, is it, to take these out? Are they gonna go flying though? Okay, let's try leave that. Let's try leave that for now, because with my tendencies, get ready for a good laugh, everybody. Right, before anything happens, let's just dump them. 1, 2, 3, okay, so all in there still, as you can see. Alright, might be able to do this actually. Yeah, it didn't work out too bad. Here's the rest. It's one actually, so I have this all backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't really make a difference. They're all the same. I mean, standard drivers with standard pins. Nice. I think them. They're fairly tricky now. I think they're tricky. Probably a little bit trickier than the spools that to be in. Oh, that's how you get actually where it screws in. So let's check the inners out here. Nothing else interesting really about that car. One, looks like a wafer on that one, almost. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, spilled, keep in 4, 5. Okay, interesting. Too interesting about the car. I'm gonna leave all those springs in there and make life a little easier for when we're putting it back together. And here we are. So there's all our pins there. Now, Stock Lock Sunday, an RB. There's the inners in there somewhere, isn't there? RB multi-lock type dealy. Multi-lock C10, isn't it? The standard pinning, very nice. Got there in the end. Sorry about the long video, fellas. There'll be a nice quick one coming up after this. Like I said, I'll get it uploaded today and with the details with the giveaway. Thanks all for watching, fellas, and talk to you again soon. Bye.